morning. So it's 7:15 in the morning, and it's Mahashivratri. So wish you all a very happy Mahashivratri. May Lord Shiva bless you with lots of prosperity, mental, physical health, and peace of mind. So it's today is yeah, we'll be visiting Isha Foundation, which I'm very excited about. I'm very excited about Mahashivratri for the past 1 week now. So we're planning on taking the public transport. And yesterday, actually, a very funny thing happened. When I went to the restaurant to have lunch, we went in an auto rickshaw. So the auto rickshaw guy was like, the public transport will be very crowded. Everybody's going to Isha Foundation and all. And we were like, okay. We just said okay, and he was like, you should take an auto. Auto will charge you 600 rupees. The taxi person will charge you around 1,000 rupees. Yeah, so you should take an auto. We said no, it's okay, it's very expensive, we'll go by bus. They charge us 60 rupees per person. 60 or 40 rupees per person. So we were like, we'll go by auto rickshaw. So I am just like, fingers crossed. I hope it's not that crowded. I mean, I know it will be crowded, but I hope it's not that crowded. At least we get to sit. So I won't be vlogging in the bus. I'll directly vlog now from Isha Foundation, because one, I never had such expensive gadgets, and all GoPro is like my most expensive gadget, and I get very scared, and one, I'm not that careless kind of. I'm a careless kind of a person, so that is the reason I get really scared. That's why I don't pull it out. I don't want to vlog in the bus and all. I don't know how it will be. So I'll directly meet you all now at Isha Foundation. Hi guys, I did reach Isha Foundation. I actually reached the bus stop, and then now we are walking towards Isha Foundation. So now I'll tell you all how to get here. First thing is that you can first is public transport, second is taxi, third is auto rickshaw. Now auto rickshaw charges you 600 to 800 rupees, and a taxi driver charges you around 1,000 rupees. But if you take the public transport, they charge you 40 rupees per person. So now we've come by public transport. So for public transport, what you have to do is that you get buses from railway station and Gandhipuram. So our hotel was near railway station, so we thought we'll board from there. But at the reception they said that don't board from railway station because it will be very crowded. Try going to Gandhipuram. So from railway station we got a bus to Gandhipuram. You can ask anybody, most of the buses I think go to Gandhipuram. It's very near to railway station. So we went there, and after that online we had seen what, 14? What? The number?
No, 14, that you can check online.
Yeah,
but
so online there are two buses which are mentioned. But however, what happened is that when we asked for that number, we saw that in extreme corner at Gandhipuram bus stop, extreme corner, there was on the left hand side there were buses which had stickers of Isha on it, and it was specially designated for Isha Foundation. So we got into the bus, we paid 100 rupees and 40 rupees, 80 rupees for two people, and then we came directly here. Now again, one more thing, that this same bus which we board from Gandhipuram passes by from railway station and then comes, but by the time it comes to railway station, it's already like a lot of people have got in and all. Now then they drop. Okay. While coming, you will see that the bus stops at one place. So first place, so that is not where you have to get down. Second is the hills. It stops at Vellagiri Hills. So that if you want to, now I'll let you all know why people got down there. I'll ask and I'll let you all know. But if you Vellagiri Hills, sorry, I'll ask and let you all know. So people who have to go to Isha Foundation, the last stop is there, like the stop that I showed you. It's like a bus stand how you have. So people, you get down there, and then you can take
Cabs and
an.
autos are all.
So once you stop there, once the bus stops there, you can either take an auto rickshaw. They will drop you directly at Isha, or you can go walking, which we are doing, which like most of the people are doing. You can see. Of Mahashivratri, there are various stalls like bangle stalls that I just showed you, and various other stalls. I just got bangles now for my mother, so I'll show you all the other stalls. Once you're done taking dip in Chandrakund, and once you're done with your prayer, you can come out, and then there's a separate counter for prasadam. You can collect your prasadam there. And I think most of the shops have now closed because it's afternoon. Reached here and we sat on our respective seats. Mine was Godavari, so I am sitting in
We
my
had the
Godavari
opportunity
bay.
to make an
Now it
Aarti
is
offering to
started.
Adi Yogi
Function has
tonight.
started, wherein
The Aarti will be offered
Sadhguru
along with
will
the
explain
chant
us
Yoga
how,
Yoga Yogeshwaraya.
on
Now
the
we will look
screens
at the
how
instructions for this
Aarti is,
process.
processed.
If you can give your full attention for the next few minutes and orient yourselves towards the screen. Sadhguru will chant each line and we will repeat it after him.